check for like sensors. Hey,
For lease.
It's a property.
It's a property.
Hey, Brandon. It's an old one, bro. Brandon, you know what I mean by the sensors? Check if they're in the door.
Yeah.
Is there a window?
Hey, you
No,
want
there's
to
no
post
Minecraft too.
that? Brandon, you want to post that?
I don't know why, but my heart doesn't feel good about this for a second time.
Go in with Brandon.
You recording?
Oh, hold on.
Hey, make sure you're recording.
Recording.
The glass is right there.
Oh, you're done. Hold on. That's right.
Hey, wait. Dude, this thing was closed.
No, I opened it.
No, man, open it.
It doesn't have the things on the doors. Let's go upstairs. Just check out bottom first.
Mm-mm.
Dude, this is a nice house. I swear, a homeless person could live in here. If I was homeless, I'd take it.
What's that?
Yo,
That's the line.
electricity. It's got electricity. Bro, hold on. Yo, it's got electricity.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to my new house tour.
Shut up. Bro, it's got electricity. Look.
Because they're ignoring it.
Oh, shit.
Run! Fuck. No, yeah.